Canva is a popular online graphic design platform that provides a wide range of features and tools for creating stunning visuals, including designs for social media posts, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. Here's a brief description of some key features offered by Canva. Templates. Canva offers a vast collection of professionally designed templates across various categories. These templates provide a starting point for your designs, allowing you to customize them with your own text, images, and branding elements. Drag and drop editor. Canva's intuitive drag and drop editor makes it easy to add and arrange elements on your canvas. You can insert text, images, shapes, icons, and other design elements, and then resize, rotate, and position them as desired. Text and typography. Canva offers a wide selection of fonts and typography options. You can customize the font style, size, color, spacing, and alignment to create visually appealing text elements. Image editor. Canva includes basic image editing capabilities, allowing you to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and other parameters. You can also apply filters, crop, and resize images directly within the platform. Elements and stickers. Canva provides an extensive library of graphics, illustrations, icons, and stickers that can be easily added to your designs. These elements can enhance your visuals and help you convey your message effectively. Backgrounds and textures. Canva offers a variety of background templates and textures to give your designs a unique look. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, patterns, and even upload your own images as backgrounds. Collaboration and sharing. Canva allows you to collaborate with others by inviting team members to work on a design project. You can share designs with others for feedback or editing, and even present your designs as interactive presentations. Branding and consistency. Canva enables you to create and store brand assets like logos, colors, and fonts, ensuring consistency across your designs. You can create brand kits to easily apply your brand elements to all your designs. Output options. Canva allows you to download your designs in various formats such as JPEG, PNG, PDF, and more. You can also directly share your designs on social media platforms or embed them on websites. Overall, Canva provides an accessible and user-friendly platform for designing visually appealing graphics, making it suitable for individuals, small businesses, marketers, educators, and anyone in need of professional-looking visuals without extensive design skills.